we have been hearing about blessing, blessing, blessing ever since we were born. But you have never sat down, just for a moment, to do a study and to find out what is the meaning of the word blessing. And the reason why we don't try to look for that kind of a word in the dictionary is because we assume we know what it is. So when the Bible again says that, and he adds no sorrow to it, what is sorrow? What is sorrow? Is sorrow something that comes to you as sorrow, or it is your response to the situation? Is there a place where you can say, right here, this is where sorrow stays, this is sorrow, this is sorrow, this is there sorrow created either by God or by the devil as sorrow? It is our attitude, it is our reaction, our response to what happens around us. So who creates it? It is us. Even if you are insulted by somebody, being angry, it is a decision that you make. Whether you make it in a quarter of a second, but it is your decision. It is your product. Sorrow is something that you produce.